Yes, it's me, Shalom Black, okay? I know you guys haven't seen me with bangs probably ever. I don't know if I had bangs ever on this channel. I probably did, but it has been a while. But it's still me, okay? I'm going to be sharing with you guys my beauty room because my last video, I kind of told you guys what I did different with it, and you guys seem to really like it. So I just want to show you the whole room. It's a very small room, but it's working for me. But yeah guys, so let's go ahead and get into this tour. Okay guys, so we are gonna get right into it. This is my door, so when you walk in you're going to be facing the window, but we're gonna start from here, then we're gonna make our way around so that I can show you guys around. It's not really a big room and I don't have a lot going on here, but okay, it does a job. So right here, when you walk in, you guys are going to see this wallpaper that I just recently told you guys about. It's such a beautiful wallpaper. I found it. I actually found the person that I got it from, or the website on Instagram first, and I was going through this stuff and I saw this wallpaper. I was like, I gotta have it. So I'm going to leave it in the link in the description bar down below. So just, I wanted to do something for the background because I feel like when I see other creators that have, like, you know, very nice fun background, it just kind of tells me a little bit about them. So I wanted to kind of show my little personality, all the little stuff that I like. So right here, you guys remember, if you follow me on my vlog channel, you remember when I got this. I actually got it from Ross, I think, for like $80. And then I just got some of this bases. I feel like it just kind of it just looks good with the green plant that I have on the other side. And then right here, I just have some, you know, Chanel and Vogue books, cover books. I feel like this really ties in and make the house look very nice. Right above it, I really wanted to display my 1 million sub plaque that I got from YouTube. You guys know when you hit 100,000, a million, and 10,000, I mean 10 million, you get a plaque. So who knows when we're gonna get the 10 million plaque, but I'm very proud of my 1 million plaque. It says presented to Shalom Black for passing 1 million subscribers, YouTube. And then right beside this, I actually got this thing, I don't know what you call this, a shelving unit, whatever. But I got this from, it's either from Wayfair, because I know I saw it on Wayfair and I also saw it on Amazon, but I think I picked mine from Amazon because it was a faster shipping and I think it was cheaper. And so right here, I just, you know, just display some of my perfumes. As you can see, I have some few from, this is from Huda Beauty actually, and this smells so good and they're just so cute. I actually don't use the Huda Beauty as much. This is the one that I use a lot, and this is from YSL. It smells so bomb. I love it. I love it, I love it, love it. Right on the bottom here, I just have a bunch of like my body lava, some from Huda Beauty, and this one that I just recently got from Patrick Tai. This is actually really good because it's actually a spray, so it makes it very easy to apply, which I like, and it's not sticky, but it smells so good. And then here I just have really just some random stuff, some hair stuff, and I just put this stuff just because I think it's just tied in with like the rose gold blushy look. And then right beside here, this is, by the way, this is fake plant, guys. I do like to implement fake and real plants. You know, I kind of got the guts to finally try real plant, so yeah. And then this is my real plant that I got from the trading post. It's growing very well. I'm actually taking care of it, so I'm so proud of myself. And then moving on to this wall. I know you guys are gonna see this light. I'm gonna talk about it really soon. I just have this picture that was from my first apartment. I didn't know where to put it, so I just decided to put it here. It doesn't really mean anything to me, but it's here. So we are zoomed all the way out now, but I wanted to show you guys this two lights, this and this. I also got from Amazon, and I basically use this for my YouTube videos it basically lights up the background, so that's why you guys are able to still see my skin tone to be okay, and it's not overly exposed because you have that one light just for the back. I mean the two light just for the back, and then I have my ring light. So right in front of me right here is basically my table where I film my videos and where I do my makeup. I do not have a vanity mirror because I don't need it. I had it when I was back in Maryland, and honestly I wasn't using it as much, so when I moved here I was just like, I don't need a vanity mirror, so I just use this mirror right here, and it actually lights up, but I never charge it. So does it light up? It does light up. Yeah, it's not charged because I don't really use it for the light. And I just sit here, got my little puff. I also got this from Ross. Most of my stuff in my house, I honestly go to Ross and I pick it up. This is the outside chair, and honestly it wasn't here. The little puff that I used to sit on here is so dirty. I'm like, I can't show you guys that, so I just bought this from outside and just put it here. But yeah, so this table I got from Wayfair, and this acrylic right here that I just put some makeup here on my brushes, this is from Cosmo Cube. I'm gonna leave their Instagram. They actually sent me some really cute acrylic stuff to put my makeup stuff. So yeah, moving on to the right side of the wall. Right here I just have a few of my wigs just kind of hanging. I got this hangers also from Ross, and I don't know where I got this from, but I just like kind of displaying my wigs in this room. And then right above here, you guys remember this from my other apartment, my haunted apartment, and I actually got this from the Tatcha event that I went to. But guys, they had it on the wall, and I was just like, I need something for my beauty room. Can I take this off the wall? And Tatcha was so nice. It's like, yeah, you can have it. So they gave it to me, and now it's on my wall, and I really like it. I like what it does for this room. It looks like a beauty room. Right in front of me, right in front of me by the window, as you guys can see, I actually have a blind. So I do not use natural light to film my videos, just because when the sun comes down, it creates a shadow. So I thought, you know, maybe I should just get what is this called?
A blind.
Blinds curtains. And I got this curtain, and it literally just goes dark in here, and I just use all my like studio lights and stuff. So yeah, that's why I have this. And then right beside those curtains, I have this shelf. I think I also got this from, I'm gonna see where I got it. I think it's definitely either Wayfair or Amazon. That's where I get most of my stuff. So I just decided to put some units in here. And honestly guys, all this shelving that you guys see, the clay drawers, are actually shoes drawers that I got from the Container Store. So this is supposed to be for your shoes, but you can literally use it for your makeup acrylic, because they're cheaper than the makeup acrylic storages, and it's so much bigger. So, and they even have bigger sizes than this, but this is what I have. And I have just some few lipsticks up here. This is not all my lipstick. And by the way, I don't have a lot of makeup, but my friends do think I have a lot of makeup. I don't have a lot, just because I don't like to keep too much stuff. So I always just give stuff away. So that's why you guys don't see so much going on. But I actually do kind of have a lot. I still think it's a lot. And this right here, this is so cute. It's like a little purse, and it has brushes in here. This is from the collaboration that Sephora did with Museum of Ice Cream. So I just keep it in here, right here. And this is all the other stuff. Look at this. I think these are lipsticks. I never opened them because they're just so cute. So I'm just keeping them right here. So I never used it. I don't know how it works, but yeah. Moving on, this is actually Lavi. This is what I got her for her birthday. But she wasn't living in LA, so she didn't want to take it to the airport with her. So it's still here. You can take it with you today.
I'm taking that back right now.
Go ahead. So right in front of my table that I do my makeup, I have this ring light, and this is the 20-inch ring light I got from Amazon. literally Amazon is the plug. You can either use the batteries or you can plug it, and I just plug it to the wall, but I still have the batteries on. I don't know why. And my tripod, this is also from Amazon. This is so sturdy. It's a little on the higher price, but honestly not that bad. If you guys know how much some tripods cost, you're going to be like, what the fuck? Like, you're gonna be like, what? But I think this was like $180. And then I have another ring light right here by my door, and this one kind of slightly tilts up, because then I don't know, it kind of gives me a really nice look. If you guys watch my videos, everything is kind of even out, so instead of facing me straightly, it just kind of tips up. And I actually got this as a gift from OPV, and they sell makeup and vanity table and all of that. They literally sell everything. So yeah, and it's adjustable. Like, the light can be really high, you can change the temperature, same as that one too. And then on the other side right here, you have another shelving that is the same thing as that one. And I just have some few of the drawers, some of PR package that I get. If I don't throw the boxes or I just didn't open it, I just keep it there. But yeah, by the way, I can show you guys the photos on the wall. These are all like fan art that some of you guys have created for me. And this one is actually a gift that I got from YouTube, and it has a bunch of your beautiful comments that you left. So they took one of that picture that I love so much and decided to like put a bunch of your comments on it, so that's awesome. Opening is the closet, and I have the IKEA 9 drawers. If you're a YouTuber or a beauty YouTuber, you gotta have this. I feel like it's a must. It's not a must, by the way, I'm just saying. In here we just have kind of like lip gloss, lipsticks. Honestly, so unorganized. I just threw stuff in there. In this drawer, I just put some of my loose powders and loose foundation. Sorry I did not clean all that stuff. Don't come for me. And right here, I just have some of my compact powders that I barely use. And here is highlighters. These are basically loose powder highlighters. And in here we got concealers. You know, we got our Fenty, we got our Beauty Bakery, we got Tarte that I barely use, MAC Cosmetics, and we have an oil from Beauty Bakery. And then in here we have foundation. As you guys can see, a bunch of like LA foundation, because they sent me like a whole collection. And by the way, I gave a lot of them away, but there's still more in there. And here we have more stuff, some of the stuff that are not open. These are the what is it called? Beauty Blender foundation that I bought, and I wanted to do a video on them, and I never got the chance to do it because I'm always late. And this is Alchemist foundations that I also got to do a video on it. I didn't do it. Some Hype Real foundation from MAC, all I have to try, and this foundation's from Beauty Bakery that I also have to try. So those are basically stuff that I need to actually use. And then in this drawers right here, I just have some of my eyeshadow palettes, and right here I have more eyeshadow palettes that are just smaller. And then here we have some face palettes, so like face highlighters, blush, not that much. Try to keep a minimum. Oh, okay, we don't really have that much going on here. Oh yeah, and here we just have some eyeliner, glitter, eyebrow stuff. And here we have some like eyeshadow pigments and all of that. And honestly, guys, that's it. This is a huge PR package. This was like the first MAC PR package that I've ever received, and it's like all of the lipsticks that they ever have, and lip liners and lip gloss, everything in here. Literally bought, I think it's worth like $6,000 in here. But I gave a lot of it, so that's not a lot of lipsticks in there now. But yeah, so that's kind of it. It's really not really organized in here, but I feel like I'll try my best. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. Sorry I am doing a voiceover now, but I think Labby accidentally turned off the microphone for this portion of the video. So yeah, that's what happened. But I just wanted to come and tell you guys thank you so much for watching today's video. Everything is going to be in the description bar down below. But anyway, remember to always be your own kind of beautiful, and bye.